Hello, today I'm going to show you how to wash your car with a car shampoo. In this case, it is a Champú Brillo Intenso by Sispril or Sislim-Limpiador de coches. It is a 1 liter bottle, and this will give you so many wash-ups of your car. Ultra concentrated neutral shampoo plus 200 washes per liter. That means if you're going to wash up or wash one car, you only will need one bucket. In one bucket is about 10 liters. That means if you have 10 liters in the box, you can use only 2 dips of the shampoo itself. That means the top cover, you fill up with a little bit of this concentrate and you will dip it in. We are going to use only 5 liters, so we only need 1 cup. This is really awesome for a professional finish for our cars or motorcycle. That means you will do this with this awesome shampoo. Here you can see it is a really nice liquid. It is a thick liquid. That means it is a concentrate, and it is so concentrated that you are able to wash 200 times with 1 bottle. Yeah. So dip it inside, and then we are going to dip water on top. And it is really easy to get it there finish. You also can use a spray bottle, as you can see. In this spray bottle, there's space for 1.5 liters. That means do only a little dip of this concentrated neutral shampoo in it. After you get the shampoo concentrate in position, we are getting water in it, and after this we will get so much of this beautiful foam. This is really awesome. Here you can see the concentrate is really liquidable, and we're going to get a little bit water into it. Let's start. And there is a big foam building. Yeah, let's do this here. Yeah, this is really awesome. And to get the best combination, we are going to combine it with a large size microfiber car wash mitt, or if this is a microfiber towel in form, which are you going to slip in. It's really awesome and easy to use. After this, we're going to use a microfiber cleaning cloth to dry out the area. That means you can use a standard cloth too for it, okay, but it's better to use a microfiber car wash mitt for it. This is better, and they are not so expensive out there, and they are always also available from Sispril, of course, or Sislim, as you like. And then we're ready to get a wash up with our painted car. Let's go. Here you can see my left door. Then we are going to dip a little bit of water to get a preview liquid staying on the paint. Here we are. This is only water. And then we are going to use the sponge, or the glove sponge. This is really awesome and easy to use. We are going to use now the shampoo itself with this glove and get this on the paint, and then we are rotating over it. It's really easy to clean with this shampoo, and it is fast, and because of the concentrate, you will perform with so much areas with it. Easy. Only wipe over it. And for a professional finish, leave to act for 5 minutes, and after this, rinse it with water. Yeah. That means now we get the shampoo on top, and we are rotating a little bit, and then we go do another one, another round, another cleanup, easily, really easy. And after this, we will leave this for 5 minutes, and after this, we're going to wash up with fresh water. It's really awesome to get the best combination. Is with a lamp kit or a glove, like me, with and it's easy to perform. It's easy to clean it. Really awesome. And the Slim-Lime shampoo, intense brightness, thanks to the glow drying, will see a perfect drying effect without wasted drops. This soft washing mitt will slide and silently on the paint effect thanks to lubrifoam that produce a high lubrication during the washing. And here you can see now we're getting the shampoo out of the area, and now you can see it's shining now. Wow, really. It sees very dense foam and elastic that traps and encapsulates the dirt. The 5 cc plus will be the minimum amount, enough to 5 liters of water. It's really intensive, so you will not need a lot of this liquid for 5 liters. Really awesome. Only one cap. And then we're ready. Then you can feel the particles in a real festival of foam and cleaning process. Now it is finished. So let it drain a little bit out, and then use a microfiber cloth. In this case, it is an Zisper cloth 2. It's really soft and tender, and with this we can make a good finish. That it is how to clean with this Shampoo Brillo Intenso. It's really easy. We are now wiping it dry. So we are going to dry it by using a cloth which is made out of microfiber 2, and this is the best way to clean it up to make best finish here. And here you can see there are no slices, there is no dirt is left on the paint. It's really easy and fast, and you can clean your car really easy. It's really easy, and it's done. Now it's done. Job's done. Now you can clean with this bucket. I think all of your car, all of one car, of course. First step is get a little bit water on top, then use a shampoo with a nice foam. Use for this a microfiber cloth, and after this, let it rest for about 3 minutes, and then rinse it out with fresh water. Job's done. After this, let the water drain off and get the finish with another microfiber cloth. That it is. It's really shining. It's clear. It's good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So here you can see the difference. On the right side, it is not clean. It's a little bit of dusty. And on the left side, it is so like a mirror. Soon.